So we need to return 0 if k greater than length of our number. So if k greater or equal to number length, we just return 0. Also, we need to return string 0, because yeah, let's use single quotes. So if k greater, we return single 0. In other cases, we starting off to generate our number. We create a result array. One second. We going through our number. We get digit if our counter is greater than 0, and if we have already some digit in result, and if last digit in the result is greater than our new one, then we remove our previous one. Generally, there is one mistake that before pushing the digit, I need to compare it with the previous one. So we need to make some while cycle here. So, yep. So instead of just if, we'll make a while. So while our counter is greater than 0, while we have some values in result, and while the result is still greater than digit, we'll remove this value. In the end, while our counter is greater than 0, we remove also value 1 by 1. So it's the same. And we creating joining the string. Sorry, I had a technical issue and was signed off from blue screen of that. So I need to restart this problem. So we have code. Let's run some tests and see what we will have here in result. So we see that we have some errors. So we go to next step to debug our code. We have the input number and we had the return empty string, but it was expected to return the number itself. So we need to remove only 3 numbers. So by some reason we doesn't push any values to our result. So our result is empty. Let's try to understand what is wrong and why we doesn't put anything to our result. So let's start with write down every digit, just to take a look what we have, what digits we have. This new line, I presume that just through Visual Code it's represented not in proper way, but that's fine. So we have 1, 4, 3, 2, 2, 1, 9. Let's add information about removing, like remove, and add. So let's see what we'll have here. We doesn't remove and doesn't add any numbers. Okay, the reason of this, because when my ID crashes, I lost the condition. We have previously or condition here, so we need to take a look like this. So our answer is proper one, and the problem was only with the case that I lost one of the condition that we had the right recently. So let's try to submit our answer and see what we'll have here. We had failed one of the steps, test case of 10. Expected answer is 0, but okay, I understand what is the problem. Our answer was empty string. It because we didn't add any zeros. But if if our results are empty, we need to return 0. So let's add this condition. If result length is 0, then we return also 0 string. Okay. Let's try one more time. So yes, our code is done. Everything worked great. Maybe it's not the super optimal solution. Also, we need to remove console log. Possibly it will affect the result. Yes, because of the console log, our runtime was very great. But right now, after I remove it, we have like very good situation. So we had solved the problem. We go through this step by step. I hope you learn something here and try to do it by yourself. Set like, subscribe. Please write down what you think about this format and have a nice day.